Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. One evening, I walked down the street. It was quiet. I saw a homeless woman. She looked tired, dirty, and worn out. She approached me slowly. I noticed her kind eyes. She hesitated and then spoke. "Excuse me, ma'am. Could you spare a couple of dollars for dinner?" I stopped and looked at her closely. She seemed sad. I reached into my wallet. I took out a $10 bill. "If I give you this money, will you spend it on wine instead of food?" She shook her head. "No, ma'am. I had to stop drinking years ago." I nodded. "Okay, but will you use it to go shopping instead of buying food?" She laughed softly. "Shopping? No, I don't waste time on that. Every day, I'm just trying to survive." I smiled at her honesty. "All right, one last question. Will you spend this money at a beauty salon instead of eating?" Her eyes widened and she chuckled. "Are you kidding me? I haven't had my hair done in 20 years." I thought for a moment. The woman looked confused. "Are you not going to help me?" she asked softly. I smiled. "I have a better idea. Instead of giving you money, I'd like to take you out for dinner with my husband and me tonight." Her mouth fell open. "Wait, what? Won't your husband be angry? I mean, look at me. I'm dirty and honestly, I probably smell bad." I laughed. "Don't worry. It's important for him to see what a woman looks like after she has given up shopping, hair appointments, and wine." The homeless woman stared at me for a second, then suddenly burst out laughing. "Oh, ma'am, you're funny." That evening, we had dinner together. For the first time in a long time, she felt seen and valued. She was treated with kindness. It was a nice moment for both of us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.